guys, myself and Ojas are going for Kurg Nelji trek. Basically, it's 256 km from here. So we are starting now, and it will take approximately 5 hours from here. So once we'll reach to Nelji Glampa is our homestay. We'll talk more from there. Thank you. So right, we have reached to Kurg. It's almost like 30-40 minutes of drive. Right now 30 kilometers is remaining, and it is showing 1 hour for Nelja Glamp 1, where that is our homestay. So beautiful nature. Drive was amazing. Road is relatively good. So yeah, we'll start our drive now again. Finally we reached Nelaji Glamping 1 A1. This is the homestay. So they have sufficient car parking space here, and these are the individual rooms. We are going to stay in dormitory. Sorry. This is the path for dormitory. So myself and Ojas will stay here in this bed. Umesh and Srishti is going to stay there. Other few folks. This is the bathroom.
Below.
Down, okay. And that is the hill I think we are going to trek tomorrow morning. So night, I think. Kids wanted to play. They had a good time here.
Can I?
There are clouds also. यार मैं भी कैमरा लेके आना था. Binoculars से देखना.
In this sync it with your steps. Okay, sync it with your steps. Yes, it should be as
Drilling comfortable. आलू के मेंढा. हेलो चलो.
Ojas and Srishti.
ऐसा नहीं होता. ये क्या?
Very beautiful.
after trekking we saw this beautiful view. We did 2 kilometers of trekking, 3 kilometers left.
3 kilometers left.
Yeah.
Beautiful landscape, है ना?
I was the first one to see the view.
Yeah. So we'll be going there. Here is our two guides, Mr. Jolly and Prakriti. Prachiti. Sorry.
She is fine with all these kind of things.
So how many people have actually butchered your name so far?
अरे मैं तो हमेशा परिणीति
He is our
परिचिति
like last one is the local guide with the gun. These are the elephant trails. This is fresh 2 days or 3 days old poop, elephant dung. वहाँ पहुँचना है. Oh, that looks far, man.
अरे मजा आएगा.
आज ही खत्म करना.
2 किलोमीटर से भी कम है. Less than 2 kilometers. And now you see the train, right? How it has been.
Yeah, ये fresh है, एक दिन पुराना लग रहा है.
एक दिन पुराना.
How elephant make the trails? That's an emotion.
That's the peak.
Shweta, we'll sit on top there.
2 or 3 days old elephant dung. But no need to worry, we have expert guide with us. Beautiful view from here.
So now there are records like cricket record. ये सबसे fastest longest.
It's already reached almost near the peak. Finally at the peak, I guess. वहाँ जाना है क्या और? It's not the end. We have to climb further. That is where Ojas and Srishti are there, along with the guide.
Finally reached this summit after trekking for such a long time in the sun.
Difficult trek, okay, with elephants around. Oh, beautiful view. Rudra, how was your experience?
Huh?
How is your experience trekking?
Really good.
Srishti?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Just take your pictures. In the last, we'll take one group photo and go. It was a beautiful city.
Special congratulations to our youngest one.
Yes, we have the youngest explorer as well. And I just wanted you all to, once we head back home, of course, we'll be in a rush to descend. But please do take out time to reflect on what this trek meant for you. This could have been just a one climb A to climb B, but it does teach something. You have overcome something. Maybe you have pushed your limits. You have kept motivating yourself as well. Mental resilience is a lot, and I would really like you all to just take out time to reflect on yourself as well, and just
On the
be
way down.
grateful. Yes, on the way down. And this is something that we have earned.
Oh yeah.
Congratulations. Is it correct one? Acha, now he's slapping. He was checking. Okay, so which side is better?
They ask me, why do you do it? Why trade a comfortable bed for a steep, rocky hill? Why trade easy weekends for sore legs and sweat? I tell them this: you don't find yourself in comfort, you find yourself in a struggle. Yes, trekking is hard, your lungs burn, your legs scream, and there are moments you want to quit. But then you find a hidden stream, you cup your hands and drink that fresh mineral water, cold and pure. And suddenly you feel alive in a way that the city never lets you feel. And when you finally reach the peak, when you stand on the summit, breathing in air that detoxes your body and heals your mind, you realize something powerful. You are stronger than you thought. The pain is temporary, but the view and the person you became to reach it lasts forever. So lace up your boots, the mountain is waiting.